Hey you guys, welcome back to Wheelie Media. It's Izzy back at Authentic. Today we'll be working on a 2011 Mini Cooper Countryman All4. Before we begin, please remove battery terminals and evacuate AC system. First, remove the headlight. There are 4 bolts holding it in place. Next, unplug the headlight washer line and main connector. Then remove the inlet tube and the torque bolt holding it in place. For easy access to the belt, remove this plastic shield and metal bracket that's shown here. Unplug the AC compressor. Next, use a jack and a block of wood to hoist the engine just a bit to get to the tensioner. You'll be able to slide the belt to the side. Remove the nut that holds the AC line, pull off the AC line, set to the side. Now, remove the alternator connector and power wire here. Remove the 3 bolts holding AC compressor, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Slide the AC compressor out gently. I didn't remove the other AC line. I just hung the AC compressor up here on the hook. Now we're almost there, just a few more bolts. Next, remove an AC bracket. Easier to slide the alternator down.
Yeah, piece together.
Hey, I'm back. You have 3 more inverted torque, guys. 2 more at the top, 1 at the bottom. It would be easier to leave 1 in place here. It's closer to the inlet tube, so it'd be easier to slide the alternator out of place.
For installation, go in reverse order. Take your time. I don't want to hear about explosions. Explosions, get it? Explosions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Stay chillin' for our next episode. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Izzy. Welcome to Authentic here. Like, subscribe.
Yeah, right, guys. I'm the real Izzy. Izzy does it. Please pay attention to our videos. Like, share, subscribe. This guy's fake. He's not real. Izzy does it. Only one me. please like my videos. Like,